Want to showcase your professional presence beyond Fiverr and build greater credibility with potential clients? In this video, I'll show you how to link your social accounts to your Fiverr profile the right way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Connecting your social accounts can demonstrate your expertise, showcase your portfolio, and help clients learn more about your professional background. Let's connect your digital presence. First, navigate to your profile settings by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Profile from the drop-down menu. Then look for the Social Accounts section in your profile editing options. You'll see options to connect various platforms including LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. Choose the platforms where you maintain a professional presence that complements your Fiverr services. For each platform, click the Connect button and follow the authorization prompts. You'll need to log into your social account and grant Fiverr permission to display a link to your profile. Don't worry, Fiverr won't post anything without your permission. A crucial pro tip: be strategic about which accounts you link. LinkedIn is almost always a good choice for professional credibility. For creative fields, Instagram, Behance, or Dribbble can showcase your portfolio. Only link accounts that present you professionally. Avoid personal social media unless it's relevant to your services. After connecting, your social links will appear in a dedicated section of your Fiverr profile. Clients can click these to learn more about your work history, see additional portfolio pieces, and gain confidence in your expertise. And just like that, you've created a connected professional ecosystem that showcases your full range of talents. Strategic social linking can significantly boost your credibility. If this guide helped you present a more complete professional picture, please give it a like. Which social platform do you find most valuable to link to your Fiverr profile? Share your thoughts in the comments below. To expand your reach even further, subscribe for our next video on how to add languages to your Fiverr profile. Thanks for watching.